Adrian, so think ahead 10 years from now and imagine that every metallurgical operation has a MACH installed. How would that affect the industry, the environment, and the economy at large?
It's a wonderful question, and I can't help but smile, because what I want to say is that it'd be like a whole new world, the whole fantastic point of view.
Mm-hmm.
Not to steal any words from any song. I don't want to get nailed for plagiarism or copyright infringement, but that's how I feel. It would be a fantastical new world, completely unimaginable. But if every mining operation did have to install a MACH reactor, not sure where I would manufacture them all, but if, let's just say it was possible and they all had it with a couple of % additional recovery, oh, that would just mean jobs for everybody, a clean environment, a sustainable future. It's just euphoria. I mean, what more could you want? No wars, world peace, and I would be ready for my Nobel Prize, I think. You can always dream.